How to fix WhatsApp folder not showing on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix WhatsApp folder not showing on Android phone. First, open settings and then scroll down until you find apps, and now click apps again, and here just type WhatsApp and then click storage and then click clear cache, and that's it. And if that doesn't fix your problem, just go back, go to here WhatsApp again, and now you need to go to permissions and then storage, allow it, and that's it. Now just restart your phone, hold on it, wait, and then click restart, and your problem will be fixed. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.